I'm a fan and I would like to thanks to Ayan sir and UMK Student Academy for giving me this golden opportunity to speak in front of beautiful people like you. And I start with some words. जाति धर्म की सोच से ऊपर उठ जाए, जाति धर्म की सोच से ऊपर उठ जाए और सब मिलकर लोकतंत्र को जिताएं. Do you know what is the democracy and what are the benefits of democracy? What are the importance of democracy? Democracy is mainly a Greek word which means people and their rules, where people have right to select their government as per their choice. Greece was the first democratic country in the world. India is also a democratic country where people have right to select their government and do his work as per their choice. There are two types of democracy, direct and representative. In direct democracy, people have right to participate direct in constitution making, law making, etc. But in representative, people select one representative who represent him and who have right to create law and amendment in constitution. In democracy, people have few rights which are essential for human beings. India has the largest democracy. Each people have right to fight for development. What are the challenges of democracy? There are many challenges of democracy like corruption here, many political leaders and officers who do not do his work with integrity. Everywhere they demand bribes, resulting in the lack of trust of the citizens which are affect the country very badly. Anti-social elements which are seen during elections where people given bribes and they are forced to vote on a particular candidate. Caste and community. There are large number of people. There are large number of people select their caste and therefore political also select on the majority on the caste. What are the benefits of democracy? Promoting interests of the citizens. People get chance to vote on the key issues which are affecting their country or can elect their representative to make these decisions. Promoting equality. One principle of democracy is that all people are equal in the eye of the law. Every people gets vote. For example, Canada has a universal franchise degree in the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. In Canada, people have right to vote for any candidate election, preventing abuse of power. In democracy, people elect official and responsible for carrying out will of those who elected them. If they misuse their power, so they won't be re-elected. What are the importance of democracy? Whenever we talk about democracy, we also talk about John Locke and Abraham Lincoln. John Locke was the first person to talk about our rights. In our natural state, we have three rights: right to life, right to property, right to equality. And Abraham Lincoln was the first person who talked about democracy. Democracy is for the people, to the people, and by the people. This is said by Abraham Lincoln. In our ancient times, we did not have democracy. We have monarchy, where people did not have right to select their government, and king have all power. If someone raised his voice against the kings, so king scared him. America was the first person who accept democracy and create law. But America is suffering from inequality, from black and white. When our freedom fighter leader Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi went to America on the first class train, and British threw him on the train because he is black, and he decided to fight for America to destroy the inequality. And when our India is free from British in 1946, we also suffering from inequality and untouchability. Our constitution father, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, raised his voice against the untouchability and inequality. After the many protests and our freedom fighter efforts, the right to equality become a fundamental right in our constitution. Democracy is important for the creating constitution in country. If country does not have democracy, so why constitution made in democracy? So this was all about democracy. I hope you got some idea, and I appreciate you for having patience and listening my speech. And I am very thankful to Answer and UMK Student Academy. I end with some more. सरकार जागती नहीं, सरकार तो सोती है. सरकार जागती नहीं, सरकार तो सोती है. आम जनता सड़कों पर आकर रहती है. जो तानाशाही को उखाड़ कर देखते हैं, जो तानाशाही को उखाड़ कर देखते हैं, वो ताकत में तंत्र में होती है.
करा था कुछ नहीं बचा.